Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. How is everyone doing? It's the holidays. Christmas was yesterday, and I hope you all had a blast. Now we're moving on to 2022. We only got how many days left? 4 days or 5 days rather. And for today's recording, this will be the last, most likely the last recording for this year, and it is Maps Search Intent. It is the Japanese version. I did work on the same. um Hit app before. It is the English version. So this one should be easy, guys. We just have to understand the query if it's a place, an address, a business, a significant POI. Now, business and significant POI is quite confusing. I hope I can explain it to you further during the duration of this recording. We also have natural feature, foreign language, other, and significant ambiguity. For place, it is for an administrative region, boundary, division, community defined by humans like city, state, zip code, neighborhood, county, country, continent. For address, this one are those with the street name and the street number or intersection. Business, that's self-explanatory. Now, significant POI is a point of interest, often with important cultural, historical, tourist, or other major public interest. Okay, so that is the difference between POI and business. For business, it's business or organization by name, chain, or category, type of product or service. Natural feature will be like islands and mountains or stuff like that. Foreign language if it isn't in Japanese. And English will be valid for this one, but other languages like, let's say, Arabic, uh, it'll be considered as a foreign language for this hit. Now let's move on. 729 Barwood Road, Hawthorne East, Victoria, 31 to 23. This is going to be a street address. Now we got to finish up 15 hits. KFC BSB Semarang, that's going to be business. Maluch Door, that's a town and it is going to be a place. Mexico City International Airport. This is, hold on. Major public interest, the definition of significant landmarks, famous building, tourist sites, monuments, universities, colleges, large transportation hub. Okay, it's POI. Mikado Road, that's definitely an address. This is going to be foreign. That's in Russian, not in English and Japanese as well. Uh, this one is Metal Orbit. It is going to be a POI. This is foreign. This is definitely an address. Skid Row History Museum and Archive. This is POI. Lake Wallace. That's natural feature. Stowe Market. Stowe Market is a market. This is going to be significant POI. Okay, it's a place. I'm sorry. So we got one mistake out of 15. Dar es Salaam. This is a place. Yep, we got it right. This one is definitely an address. Oh, it's a place, guys. Uh, Please do take note of that. Church Road, that's an address. We passed the qualification test. Again, it is map search intent Japanese version. Again, my name is Ghost. Thank you for tuning in, guys. See you next year for a new qualification or for more qualification videos. Happy New Year. I hope you will have a blast. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and you can join us in Facebook. Our Facebook group name is ClickWorker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. You have to subscribe to this channel and answer the relevant membership questions before we can welcome you there. Have a good day and thank you for watching. Bye for now.